Hello and welcome to Hints, a weekly tutorial series on the WaterPro community. This week, we're going to take a brief overview look at the resources page and how you can upload a file to the WaterPro community. To start off, you can access the resources page by clicking the resources link on the main nav bar. Next, on this page, you can see there's a couple of different areas here. Chris covered the Water University webinars and how to access those in a previous Hints tutorial. On the right here, you see upload a file. We'll come back to that. We'll go ahead and just scroll down to see the other parts of the page. Below, you'll see the hottest files. What these are the most popular files accessed on the community. These are ones that people have either downloaded or clicked on and viewed. Next, if you scroll down some more, you can see all the files that are currently added to this resources page. They're listed by the date when they are uploaded by. On the right here, you see this little a bunch of keywords. What this is a keyword cloud. This pulls the tags and classifications when you upload a file to the WaterPro community. You can add those and they'll show up here. And that's about it. We'll go ahead and scroll back up and upload a file now. We'll just click this link. After you click the file upload button, it'll take you to this file library administration page. So what this page is essentially a file folder or a post for your file to live in. And why that's important is you can actually add multiple files to the same file folder. So if you added if I wanted to add a file in here, so our file is going to be Introduction to Sustainable Utility Management. So this presentation is from a previous Water University webinar we did. So I'll go ahead and enter my title there. And then next I'll give a description about the file. So I'll say distribution is this. So after I add my description, I'll scroll down here to tags. So these tags are, like we showed before, they show up in that gray box. And so what they're used for is they allow other members to find your file a little bit more easier. So if they search for, so one of our tags is going to be Sustainable Utility Management. And so what that does is whenever a member searches for Sustainable Utility Management, this will be one of the files that show up in their search results. We'll also add the tag presentation, and that can help too. Next, if you scroll down here, you'll see the category or topic. It's required. We'll go ahead and just select files. Next, and that should be by default. It should be always files. Next is the document type. So what exactly are we going to be uploading? So we have a couple of different options here, but for us, we're going to be selecting presentation. And if you scroll down some more, then you'll see files. So this is actually where we're going to upload our files at. So if you click the add file, and then next we'll say choose file. And this is where we're going to browse to our presentation that we're going to upload. So here's our presentation. We'll select open. Now the file, whenever you're uploading files, it can accept a bunch of different types of files, anywhere from images, PowerPoint presentation, Word files, Excel files, of course PDFs, all that sort of thing. You can upload there up to 20 megs per file. So if you wanted to add an additional file, all you have to do is, so if we're going to treat this as a file folder like we were talking about before, and if I had additional information on sustainable utility management, I could add and choose a different file there and select it. So we'll go ahead and cancel that since I don't have another presentation. And then after our file is uploaded, we'll go ahead and just select OK. And so now our file is now posted. You can see where it's posted. It's posted in the files. The title of our file that we uploaded, as well as the description and any keywords that we gave the file. And so this is where you actually, if you wanted to download it, you could download it. You can email it to someone as well. And then if you wanted some more details about what the file is, you can click that and it'll drop down. It'll give you some information about, who owned it, when they uploaded it, and that sort of thing. If you need to go back and make any changes, you can do so here by clicking this Edit File. And then if you made a mistake or there's something that just really doesn't look right, you can click the 3 dots, and there's an option to delete the file after you uploaded it. So now that we have our file uploaded, we'll just take a moment and we'll go over and see where that actually lives now in the WaterPro community. So if we go back to Resources, and if we scroll down, you can see now this file is located in the All Files. And that's it for this week's hints. We'll be placing a link below to a survey that you can take if you want to suggest a topic for new hints or questions that you have about the community. Feel free to go ahead and fill that out there, and we'll try to cover those in a later session.